What's up, HY? It's your girl Heather back for another cooking video. And on tonight's menu, we're making turkey chili. And I've never had turkey chili before, but I thought I'd try. You know, I'm down. I started using like turkey ground meat for my tacos, so now I'm going to try it in my chili. I'm excited to try this. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure that it's going to be delicious, so I'm going to tweak it a little bit and maybe not as healthy as it should be, because I do like to have stuff taste a certain way. But I am going to use the turkey ground beef, and these are what I'm using here. Little turkey. And then I'm actually trying something different. I normally only use kidney beans in my chili, but this time I got some great value. It's mixed chili beans. If y'all can see that. I'm going to be trying that in the chili. So this is my first time using these type of beans, a mixture. I'm excited about that. And of course I got my salsa. I use this into my chili instead of like chopping everything up like the tomatoes, onions, and all that. I just buy some chunky salsa and I put this in my chili. And I got some tomato paste as well, just in case I wanted to thicken it up a little bit. I got me some tomato paste. Got that from Aldi's, like 35 cents. And of course, you know, to season up my chili with, you know, I got my Morton's. I use this for everything, guys. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go get my gloves. Y'all know that's my signature, is to wear my gloves when I cook. I'm gonna go ahead and get this pan heated up. This is the pan I'm gonna be doing my turkey, ground turkey in. I'm gonna cook it in this, and then I'm gonna finish it off and let it slow simmer in this pot. So that's the plan, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this oven on. I'm gonna say 4. I'm gonna put a little olive oil in the pan because turkey, ground turkey does not have a lot of fat in it, so I don't want it to stick to the pan. Even though it's a non-stick pan, I'm gonna go ahead and put some olive oil in it. So here's the olive oil. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there, guys, not a lot. Just enough to coat the pan. That's it. Okay. I got my husband, he went upstairs and got me my seasoning packets for the chili, because I like spicy chili. So I don't know about y'all, but I am really into like spicy stuff. So let me get y'all over here so y'all can see me a little bit better. Can y'all see me? Okay. So I got these packets too, guys. Let me move back because it looks like I'm getting unfocused on the camera. So I got these chili packets. 1 mild, 1 hot. I'm probably going to use a little bit of both, or just use all of the hot and save the mild for another time. But that's what I plan on doing. As y'all can see, let me show y'all real quick. Not a lot of oil. I just put a little bit in there, just to, so the ground turkey won't get stuck to the pan. All right. So back to what I'm about to do. Put my gloves on. Be right. Alright, guys, got my gloves. I'm letting the pan heat up a little bit. Got all my little ingredients out over here. Alright. Just got to get a knife real quick, guys, so I can cut open the package. Give me a little knife. Got a first ground turkey piece. Put that in the pan. Alright. This is number 2. Number 2. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these thrown in the garbage, and then I'll be back. Let's see. I took my gloves off because I won't be touching any more raw meat for the duration of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and put the seasoning salt on here. So that way the meat will be seasoned. Yep. And it's empty. I'm sad, y'all. Y'all know I need another one. Oh my goodness, let me see. So I'm gonna just get some regular pepper. And then I'm gonna get some salt. If I can find it. Yep, I found it. A little kosher salt. Y'all, your girl got a lot of seasonings up in this cabinet. Okay. Alright, so I'm also going to put some kosher salt in there because I ran out of my Morton's for now. And I'm just going to substitute it with this. And not too much because, like I said, the seasoning packets have a lot of salt in it as well. So I don't want to overdo it. But while that's getting ready, I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of the stuff in this pot, and then I'll be adding the ground beef, or excuse me, the ground turkey afterwards. Once that's done, I'll add that to the rest of the stuff. But I'm going to put the things in the pot and start getting this simmering with everything else. With the chili powder and all that, I'm going to let it simmer. So this is what it looked like inside, guys. Let me show y'all. Uh-oh, I wasted a little bit. Come here, Rocco. My dog likes to eat stuff off the ground, but look, I'm spilling it. I'm going to show y'all when I'm done because that's not going to be able to see these beans, but it's all good. It's a red based bean, guys. My dog is tearing it up because I did spill some, trying to show y'all what's inside. Or at least show y'all what the beans look like. This in there. Can you open this for me, honey? Can you open it? My hands are weak, guys. I'm tired. And my iron is low again. So I'm really feeling drained. So forgive me. My energy isn't up, guys. Forgive me. Yes, I did pour the whole jar in there. And then I'm going to add a jar of water. Well, not a whole jar of water, but a half a jar of water to this. And this is about how much water I'm going to add to it, you know, just to give it that juice. And I'm going to let this simmer on about 3. And I think I'm going to just go ahead with this hot tonight. I'm in the mood for some spice, so I'm going to go with this hot. Uh-oh, guys. Y'all see me making this mess over here? Dropping this in my stuff. But yeah. It looks good, guys. Need some more. I poured the whole packet in there, guys, because I like it really spicy. And then when I do my chili, I eat it on top of crackers. Okay. So when that's in the process of simmering, the meat is actually starting to simmer now. So I'll be back once I start mixing the meat into the sauce. All right, guys. All right, guys, y'all see that meat is starting to get cooked really good now. This is what the sauce is looking like. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of texture. There you go for some texture. That's what that looks like. Got all the little different beans in there. Got the green peppers and all that. And this is a really quick and easy meal to make for your weeknight if you're busy. If your family likes chili, it's a really quick meal. It takes maybe from beginning to end, I'm gonna say about 30 minutes to 25 to 30 minutes tops. The longest part of this is the meat cooking and then letting it all simmer together. But it's a really quick, easy meal for your family. So this is another quick meal for you guys. All right, I'm gonna be back once everything's done with this meat, and then I'm gonna put it inside of this sauce and I'm gonna let it simmer. And I'll be back, A-Squad. Alright guys, we are back. Look at that. So that turkey is all just about done. This sauce is looking bomb right now. I just had to turn it down a little bit more so it won't start sticking, because it started to try to stick on me, guys, and we don't want that. But look how nice and colorful this is. It looks so good, right? Looks real good. So I'm about to put this meat inside of this sauce. This is done, as you can see, and it's about to simmer some more in that, in the other juice. But y'all, turkey's nice because it don't have no grease on it that you really got to drain off at all, so that makes it really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the flame off on this here. All right, and I'm gonna set you guys right here so y'all can see, because I'm about to go ahead and put everything together. Alright, so we're about to go ahead and add this. Uh oh, I spilled some. We'll add this turkey to the pot. And again, this is nice because there's no juice for real. The only juice that's in here is from the olive oil that I put in here. So this is nice. Out the way. And now I'm gonna bring y'all over here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, this is what we did here. Just gonna add that in there like that. And it's on slow simmer too. Look how beautiful this looks, guys. That look good. This is my first time using turkey in my chili. But I'm sure I'm going to love it because I love turkey tacos. So I'm sure this is going to be just as good. I always use ground beef. But I'm trying to eat healthier, guys. And switch some things up just for the sake of health-wise. And move back. Starting to fog up my camera, y'all. Y'all see that? And I'm going to just let this simmer for like 15 more minutes on low. Just so everything can blend together. Look how good that look, guys. Look at this. Yes. Got all kind of beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, all kind of beans in here, guys. This is like 4 or 5 different beans. But that looks really good. Baby, I'm recording, honey bunny. But yeah, that's looking real good, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to let that simmer. And this is pretty much it, guys. This is how I do chili. And I know it's not 100% like homemade because I didn't chop up the tomatoes and all that other good stuff, guys. But this is close enough. And it's really good. So if you guys want a quick and easy meal for the night, something that your family will enjoy, go ahead and make y'all some chili, whether you use ground beef, ground chicken, ground turkey. You know, just try it. It's really good. So this is my first time using ground turkey, but I'm also certain that I'm going to love it. But again, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and leave some comments for your girl down below. And anybody who's new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you a part of the H Squad family. And thank you guys again for watching. Bye, guys.